I'm just gonna say it, I don't feel comfortable supporting McoBeauty anymore. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to me, my name is Ken. I do beauty and lifestyle content on this channel. If you guys like that kind of content, hit the subscribe button and check out all my socials down below. Duping is not new. We've seen it from different brands time and time again. However, I feel like McoBeauty has definitely taken it a little bit too far. They were in the news a couple of months ago. I think they had like this whole series on the news where they were like asking the owner, I think her name is Sullivan, that's her surname, I can't remember her first name. Anyway, she was basically saying that she is unapologetic about duping. You know, they're kind of like straddling the line between just copies, fakes, you get the idea. Like, I'm not saying that they are, but that's basically the impression that most people are getting when they see this. Like this dupe of Charlotte Tilbury, this one a dupe of Dior, this one a dupe of Westman Atelier, this one I'm not really sure what they're trying to dupe with this one, but you get the idea. Like a lot of the products they come out with is a dupe of something. I have supported the brand in the past because at the beginning when they started coming out with all these dupes, it was kind of fun, it was kind of cool, because they still had a couple of items in their range that were their own. Were they still kind of reminiscent of something else? Yes, but the packaging was slightly different, you know what I mean? And that's the thing with a lot of dupes, you know, they kind of imply that this product is a dupe for this. Or they come out with similar packaging that will kind of make you think like, maybe they are, you know, quite comparable to each other. Tarte Shape Tape, Rimmel London. I mean, kind of similar, but the packaging is different enough that, you know, this is Rimmel London and this is Tarte. However, sometimes when McoBeauty comes out with their own products, they look very similar and maybe the differences are quite obvious when you put them side by side, but like at a first glance, they're not. The thing is, the formulas are sometimes okay, like they're not exact dupes, but you know, they're kind of similar, I will say that. And again, I did enjoy the products that I have tried out from the brand. It's just the way the CEO was like, so what? Like that was the attitude that I was getting from those interviews, and I just didn't feel comfortable supporting a brand with the owner kind of giving that so what attitude, if that makes sense. Look, if you like McoBeauty, you like using their products, you still want to support McoBeauty, that is great, that is on you, that is your opinion. This is my opinion on McoBeauty, this is my stance on them at this point in time. Will that change in the future if they created their own products, their own lines that don't necessarily look exactly, well, like, we'll just say 80% like the product that they're trying to, you know, compare themselves to? Yes, I would love to, because at the end of the day, they are a female-owned Australian brand and I would like to support that. However, with the current direction of the brand, I don't feel like it is a good direction, and that is just my opinion. Feel free to disagree. Again, just my opinion. That's my thoughts and opinions on McoBeauty. Let me know, what do you guys think?